Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I bring you the JBL Tune 290s, a pair of headphones that proves that budget doesn't have to mean cheap. Let's take a look at them. Now, these are currently being sold from the JBL website for $39.99, although they do go on sale on Amazon from time to time, and they're being sold as low as $29.99 occasionally. Let's go ahead and crack them open. We're gonna go ahead and break this little seal that we have up at the top. And then once we've broken in that little seal, and before we continue, you guys know that I love taking a look at packaging. And I have to hand it to JBL. I am a huge fan of this glossy cardboard that they have put on the outside, as well as the transparent window that allows you to view into the inside and allows you to see what the actual headphones look like. Very, very nice box. But let's go ahead and get into it. Well, our fat fingers can't get in there without ripping the box up. That's okay. Here we go. Gonna put that aside. Now, these are a nicer pair of headphones than most of the starter headphones you're gonna see out there for around the same price range. As I said, these do come in at $39.99. And as we can see in the box, we got a little carrying pouch to prevent the cable from getting tangled up. We got a warranty card. We also get, I believe, an itty bitty little spec sheet. Nope, this is not a spec sheet. This is a list of, I'm gonna guess, the hazardous elements in here, and I believe it's only for lead. Let's go ahead and continue. We also have a Harman, JBL Harman, what is it? Not terms and conditions, legal and safety, I guess. Let's go ahead and continue. We also get different earbud tips. We get small and large, as medium does come pre-installed. We're gonna go ahead and put that aside as well. Let's go ahead and take out this little cardboard insert that comes with there. And the headphones themselves. Go ahead and pop them out. Now, I was reading online that these are made out of aluminium if you live overseas. And that they're supposed to be, again, a nicer brand headphones than what you typically get. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't typically use wired headphones. I am 9 times out of 10 not listening to any headphones at all. And when I do, it's typically gonna be some sort of wireless or Bluetooth earbuds. Now, here are the earbuds themselves. And they do have a flat cable that is supposed to prevent tangling, but if I can be honest with you guys, they always get tangled regardless. It's a cable, it's gonna get tangled, And then looking at them, I believe this shit's, what is it? It's a solid it's solid 4.5, 5 feet. Yeah. And then this is what I'm kind of liking about this is that it doesn't go straight in. It is slightly offset at an angle. So then maybe, when you do have it plugged into an actual device, it's not gonna get in the way as much. Here, let me demonstrate with the tablet. So if you were to plug this in, instead of it being, again, straight up, it's gonna be off to the side. So mildly convenient in case you were to need that. It feels very, very firm going in. Obviously, it's a brand new pair of headphones, so it better feel very nice going in. And again, just first impressions, it feels nice. The cable doesn't feel too flimsy. It feels, kind of substantial. I'm a fan of the fact that as the cable keeps going up here, it doesn't get thinner, because sometimes what manufacturers will do is they'll have a nice thick cable over here, but then when it breaks off into the two individual earbuds, the part that is going to be stressed out the most, they kind of cheap out here and they put extra smaller gauge cable than what is put at the base of it, which kind of drives me up the wall. I'm glad they didn't do that here. Now for the earbuds themselves, as I said before, they do come with the medium earbud tip pre-installed. And again, you can swap them out for the larger ones. And supposedly this is an aluminum enclosure, although I was gonna say it doesn't really feel too aluminum. It doesn't have that harsh aluminum feel to it that a lot of manufacturers go for to let you know that it's aluminum. Right here, they go for a more downplayed look to where it is aluminum because it's cold to the touch, but it's a lot softer and it's a lot nicer. And then again, finally, we have the JBL logo up here and the JBL insignia on the other one. And this is where we are going to have our control. I'm a little disappointed there's no volume up or volume down, that there is literally just one button. And then this one button is going to control basically all the functions. It's going to be, you hold it to play if the song's already paused. And if the song is played, you press it to pause the song. I believe if you double tap it, it's going to skip you to the next song. And if you triple tap it quickly, it's going to skip you back to the previous song that you were at. And also this little button or this little control also houses the microphone that we have built in here. So very quickly, before I forget, one very important piece of information. The headphones come with this plastic sleeve thing that says, what is it, JBL by Harman wired headset. Long story short, I thought, it was just going to be like a paper tear, where you could literally just tear it away. It's not coming off. It is surprisingly strong. I have tried everything I could to take it off because I really, really don't want to take a pair of scissors to this, but it looks like you're going to have to very carefully take a pair of scissors to this and cut this plastic sleeve off. Man, I really hate when they do fuzzy packaging like this, because again, I really don't want to take a pair of scissors to it, because you could very, very easily snip or go through it. Just be careful. I don't know why they did that. I really wish they didn't, but look, just make sure to take that off before you use it. Again, the only time I use wired headphones, to be completely super blatantly honest with you guys, is going to be when I am in the YouTube audio library selecting and trying to pick a song for the introduction or for the outro of my videos. And let me just tell you one thing, guys. I think that, or at least let me set the expectation. I think that a lot of us have gotten kind of complacent with the performance that a Bluetooth earbud brings us. And don't get me wrong, I love Bluetooth earbuds and I love the convenience that they bring to us. However, I do believe that you do sacrifice something. I do believe that you do give up something in order to have that, that portability, that convenience of the wireless stuff. And like I said, the only time I'm using wired headphones is when I'm in the YouTube audio library. And you know what pair of headphones I use, guys? I use some Zizo music player headphone thingies. Like these are like cheap headphones. These are $10, $15 pair of headphones at most. And they are very cheap. And you know what? These absolutely blow my AirPods out of the water. These will blow out of the water any other pair of Bluetooth headphones, simply because of the fact that they are plugged in and they are not playing off of your phone. They are playing off of the MacBook. it just sounds so much nicer. I might have to make a whole nother video off of that. And I believe Dang Pods covers this very well in the video. He does an amazing job at, again, explaining much better than I would about high fidelity sound. And again, this is not high fidelity sound, but it's just, there's a huge difference between a Bluetooth earbud and a wired one. With that, all that being said, let's go ahead and plug these in and see what kind of sound they make. So now there's definitely something to be said about just plugging in a pair of headphones into your PC, into your all-in-one, into your, I don't know, does the PS4 have jacks? I don't know. Plug in a pair of headphones into something that is not your phone, because I bet you 9 times out of 10, the preamp on your phone is very weak. It's not very good, and you're not gonna get that full effect from all of your songs. And I literally have this cranked, I think, three little squares away from being maximum, and it's just absolutely loud. And I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it feels like I'm in front of the stage. It feels like I'm in front of the amplifiers, because I'm a musician. I play guitar. I know what that feels like, and we're not there yet. Again, but for a pair of in-the-ear headphones, the seal that they provide around your ear does provide some passive sound isolation, but it's still pretty close to it. Again, it's not the full experience of being, in front of the stage. And I do believe, again, you tap it once, you tap a little control, or not tap it, but you press it once, it pauses it, you press it again, it plays it, you double tap it, and it's gonna go to the next one, and then you 1, 2, 3, you triple tap it to go to the previous one. Yeah, definitely. I invite you guys to plug these pair of headphones into a computer, into a genuine music player, something that is able, or into a headphone amp, something that is able to drive your headphones just a little bit more than, your phone. And you're going to be able to hear just so much the songs that you've always known, that you've always loved. And you're going to be blown away. I'm telling you, because I was, I'm telling you, for years and years and years, this Bluetooth headphones, again, because we're all caught up in trying to just have the latest and greatest, right? But again, there's something that definitely gets sacrificed when you no longer have a wired connection. And again, it brings the songs to life. And that's just off a wired pair of headphones. I can't imagine the difference it would make if I were to have an actual headphone amp with some actual studio headphones. Like, holy cow. You will fall in love with your music all over again. After all, the devil's in the details, or so they say. And if there are other topics you'd like for me to talk about, other items you'd like for me to cover, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Make sure to be subscribed and make sure to comment what's your favorite pair of headphones in order for you guys to be entered into the giveaway for an Alcatel Joy Tab 2 tablet. The moment I reach 750 subscribers, I will be giving one of these tablets away. You see right up here. It's brand new. I haven't used it for any of my unboxing videos. I have plenty of these that, because I go through these a lot. I break them. I just go through these. Okay, so it's a brand new one. Just, again, make sure to be subscribed. When I reach 750 subscribers, I will pick 1% at random. And again, make sure to comment what's your favorite headphones. Back when you were in high school, back when you were younger, or what's your favorite pair of Bluetooth headphones? Just go ahead and let me know in the comments. Make sure to be subscribed so you can be entered in the giveaway for an Alcatel Joy 2 tab. And as always, thanks for watching. But seriously, go listen to some music. You're gonna be blown away. Go listen to some music with some regular headphones. Okay, goodbye. yeah, do yourself a favor. Go listen to some music with some wired headphones. And just watch your world be blown away, dude. Like, holy cow. It's so good.